Before you were even born, before Adam took his first step in Jannah, a promise was made. Not by a human, but by Shaytan. A promise to mislead you, to whisper to you, to pull you away from the mercy of Allah. The promise of Shaytan. When Allah commanded Iblis to bow to Adam, he refused out of arrogance, and he said, "I will mislead them all." And in another verse he said, "Because you have sent me astray, I will wait for them on your straight path." From that moment, his mission became clear: to attack the children of Adam from every direction. In Jannah, Adam and Hawa had everything. No hunger, no fear, no sorrow. Allah said to them, "Do not go near this tree." Just one rule. So how did Shaytan break them? Not through force, not through shouting. He whispered. Allah tells us, "Then Shaytan whispered to them." What did he say? He used the exact same tricks he uses us today. He made the sin look beautiful. He made disobedience look harmless. He made the forbidden look beneficial. He said, "Your Lord only forbade you from this tree so you do not become angels or live forever." He lied. He decorated the sin with false promises. And Adam and Hawa slipped. And today, Shaytan uses the same method. He whispers in your weak moments. He tells you the sin is small. He promises you happiness through disobedience. He makes bad deeds look easy and good deeds look heavy. Just like he whispered to Adam and Hawa, he whispers to you. Just this once. No one will know. You deserve it. It's not a big deal. But remember, his goal is not the sin. His goal is your distance from Allah. Yet Adam and Hawa did something powerful after their mistake. They turned back. They made dua. They repented. Allah says, "Then Adam received words from his Lord, and he forgave him." Your slip doesn't define you. Your return to Allah does. Shaytan promised to mislead you, but Allah promised to guide you. Shaytan whispers to break you, but Allah invites you to return. So the real question is not, will I fall? The question is, when I fall, who will I return to? Be like Adam, not in the slip, but in the return. And if this reminder touched your heart, share in the comments. What whisper of Shaytan do you struggle with the most? And how do you fight it? Your reflection might be the reminder someone else desperately needs.